Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of passive income, a realm where your finances flourish with minimal effort on your part. This isn't just about extra cash, it's about creating streams of income that provide financial freedom and independence. The beauty of passive income lies in its ability to generate earnings without the constant need for your active involvement. It's the art of making your assets work for you. Imagine what life could be like if your money worked for you even when you're not working. First up, let's talk about dividends. Imagine owning a slice of a company. Now imagine that company not only grows in value but also pays you part of its profits. That's the magic of dividends. By investing in stocks or mutual funds that distribute dividends, you receive a share of the company's earnings. It's like getting a thank you card filled with cash, just for holding onto your shares. Choosing where to invest is key. Look for stable, well-established companies known for consistent dividend payouts. These aren't flashy, high-risk bets, but rather the steady eddies of the investing world. Think of them as the tortoises in the race against the hares. Slow and steady often wins the financial race. One transformative strategy is to reinvest these dividends. Instead of pocketing the cash, use it to buy more shares. Over time, this reinvestment can dramatically compound your earnings, turning small initial investments into robust revenue streams. So, by investing wisely, you could see regular payments that grow over time without lifting a finger. Next, consider making money through real estate. Venturing into real estate offers a robust avenue for generating passive income, primarily through two popular methods: rental properties and real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Let's start with rental properties. Imagine owning a charming apartment or a cozy suburban house. By renting these properties out, you not only earn monthly rental income but also stand to benefit from the appreciation of the property's value over time. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. However, diving into rental properties requires a significant initial investment and comes with its share of management responsibilities. Worried about the hassle? That's where property management services swoop in, handling everything from tenant queries to maintenance, albeit at a cost. On the flip side, if handling physical property sounds too daunting, REITs provide a more hands-off approach. By investing in REITs, you essentially buy shares in commercial real estate portfolios, reaping dividends without the complexities of direct property management. Real estate can be a golden goose, offering both steady income and long-term capital gains. How about creating something once and selling it repeatedly? This concept is the cornerstone of generating passive income through digital products. Imagine crafting an ebook, an online course, or a collection of stock photos. The beauty of these products lies in their ability to be sold indefinitely after the initial effort of creation. For budding authors, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing offer an avenue where ebooks can be uploaded, marketed, and sold to a global audience. The key is to identify topics that are in demand and provide unique insights or solutions. Similarly, for those skilled in a particular area, creating an online course can be immensely profitable. Platforms like Udemy or Coursera allow creators to design comprehensive courses that can educate and inspire. Photographers can leverage their skills by selling stock photos on platforms such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. The trick is to produce high-quality, appealing images that businesses and creators will want to use. Create a valuable resource, and it could sell for years, putting money in your pocket while you sleep. Peer-to-peer lending is another fascinating option. Imagine this. Instead of parking your money in a traditional bank, you lend it out directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. It's like becoming a mini bank yourself. You choose who to lend to, and as they repay the loan, they pay you interest. It's a win-win. You earn money, and they get the funding they need to grow. Now, how does this work? Platforms that facilitate peer-to-peer lending thoroughly vet borrowers and categorize them based on their credit worthiness. As a lender, you can sift through these profiles, assess the risks, and invest in loans that align with your comfort level and financial goals. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The higher the potential return, the higher the risk, particularly if a borrower defaults. That's why diversification is key. Spread your investments across various loans to mitigate risks. With peer-to-peer lending, your money helps others to grow while it earns for you. Do you own a car or a website? Put them to work. Imagine turning your daily commute into a revenue stream. Companies are constantly looking for innovative ways to advertise, and your car could be the perfect mobile billboard. By partnering with advertising companies, You can wrap your vehicle in eye-catching ads and earn money based on the miles you drive. This setup is wonderfully passive. Just go about your usual routes and watch the earnings roll in. Switching gears, let's talk about the digital realm. If you run a blog or a website, it's not just about posting content. These platforms can become money-making machines through hosted advertisements. Services like Google AdSense or affiliate marketing programs allow you to earn income every time a visitor clicks on an ad. The beauty? Once set up, these ads require little to no maintenance. Your everyday assets could be unexpected income generators working silently in the background. Now that we've explored a few passive income ideas, let's recap. Passive income, a realm where your money rolls in while you focus on other pursuits, offers several enticing avenues. First, we delved into the world of dividends, where investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of income. It's like planting a tree and enjoying the fruits year after year without much toil. Next, we ventured into real estate. Whether it's renting out properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, this sector has proven to be a robust source of passive income. Here, the key is leveraging property to build wealth over time. Then, we explored the digital frontier, creating and selling digital products. From ebooks to online courses, the digital space allows creators to produce once and sell infinitely, a true embodiment of passive income. We also touched on peer-to-peer lending, a modern twist to traditional lending that allows you to be the bank. Here, you provide the funds for others' loans and earn interest as they repay. Lastly, we looked at advertising on your assets. Whether it's a blog, a car, or any personal asset, this strategy involves monetizing your existing possessions by offering them as advertising spaces. As you consider these avenues, think about your resources, your interests, and how much you're prepared to initially invest. Each path has its unique blend of risks and rewards, and the best choice varies from person to person. Start small, think big, and take the first step towards making your money work for you. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step.